Hey guys, it's Matt again from Billet Pro Shop. Today we have a customer that came in because he has an issue with clogged injectors. So this car runs on E85. It's been parked for quite a bit. So we're gonna give it a little bit of love. Get this thing back on the track, racing probably this Saturday. So this car runs on FIC 1000cc injectors. It's a Coyote build we did about a year ago. It runs a 300 shot with Nitrous, and it's a no-time car, but the new owner is going to bracket race, so we're trying to make it run 6.0s. It used to be a little bit quicker, but you know, we want consistency also. So right here we have our injector cleansing machine. It has ultrasonic cleaner, and then we could flow to make sure that the injectors are all flowing equal, make sure the spray pattern is also adequate. You know, when they're clogged, sometimes you get drops coming out instead of a nice spray pattern. And yeah, so I'll show you the fluid before cleaning them, and I'll show it to you after we clean them. So clear blue, no gunk. And let's put a set in to clean. We'll do 4 at a time because the bath isn't that big, so we'll do it in 2 steps. So, go to ultrasonic cleaning, 10 minutes. Cleaning. We're done cleaning them, and I want to show you guys. You see that black speck there? That's probably from the fuel hose. There's another one there. So we did some good for sure. Next, what I like to do is blow them dry. And these FICs come with a extension on the end. We take these off to make sure everything's clean and verify the O-rings. Make sure there's no rips in them. See, we caught one with a serious rip, and that's a huge fire hazard. So we're gonna be replacing them. Next step, we're gonna be checking the flow pattern on them. Let me just set it up and I'll take another vid. So you'll notice I only set up one injector at a time, and the reason being is that the pump that's provided in this machine doesn't have enough flow, and also having the pressure come in through the middle, you'll notice that there's gonna be pressure drop across the injectors, especially on the ones on the end. So you'll never be flowing exactly the same. So I do one at a time, make sure they're all within 2-3%, and I check the spray pattern. So let's do that right now. And go on leakage test to set our pressure. Good. Spray test. We'll go to 7,000 RPM. Boop. Maximum pulse width. Cylinder number, number 1. And since these are 1000s, we're gonna drop this down to about 6 seconds of spray. And when I'm gonna press this the first time, there's gonna be air in the system, so we'll let it run for a bit. I'll stop it, drain it, and restart. So we'll drain. There we go. That looks good to me. So we're gonna wait for the bubbles to go away. We'll take the measurement in cc's and compare it to the other injectors. Like I said earlier, if it's within 2-3%, we're good to go, and I'll reinstall them on the car. We just flowed the injectors. They're all within 2-3%. Change the O-rings, all brand new O-rings. Put these in the ultrasonic cleaning too. And now, our trusty old O-ring lube. So we'll be doing that and slapping these puppies back on the car. And we're gonna be pretty much ready to race this weekend. So shameless plug, we do offer the service, clean injectors. Just type in injector cleaning on our website at billetproshop.com. And we have pricing for individual sets, 4 injectors, 8 injectors, however many you have. And we'll clean, flow them, make sure they all flow the same, and send them back to you.